What is going on, guys? Welcome to GregglesTV Daily, your source for daily tech news. Make sure you subscribe so you know what's going on in the world of tech. How is everyone doing, guys? Let's get into the news. The first story of the day is about a company called Black Shark Technologies, which is a smartphone company funded by Xiaomi, and it looks like they will be putting out a gaming-centric smartphone with specs of a Snapdragon 845, up to 8 gigabytes RAM, and up to 256 gigabytes of storage. So you could say to yourself, well, that's a lot of phones. A lot of phones with those kind of specs could be gaming phones. Now we'll have to wait and see if they end up putting up a higher refreshed rate screen like they do with that new Razer phone. Maybe you'll see 120 hertz screen refresh rate on this one, or maybe some other kind of customization. But this will come out in China for sure, and then the rest of the world, maybe. But it's always cool to see these gaming-centric phones. I actually think eventually these will take over, the Nintendo DS's and or 3DS, whatever they call it. The Nintendo Switch, just because you always have a phone on you. And once someone can get that so that it's a phone and a gaming console all into one, that's really going to take off. And it just really hasn't taken off. Sony's tried it, Nokia's tried it with the Engage. And it's just, like I said, never really taken off. And it's just a matter of time before someone actually figures the formula out. And our last story of the day is about a Chromebook with the codename of Atlas. This was discovered by a Reddit user. He saw some code for the Chromebook, and it looks like the codename for the new Chromebook that possibly is coming out that has a 4K display is Atlas. And you're going to say to yourself, well, is that a good thing? Is that a bad thing? Battery's going to die really quick. Do you need 4K display on a Chromebook? And yes and no, because a lot of the videos now are going up to 4K resolution. So why not, you're watching a YouTube video on your Chromebook, why not be able to watch it in 4K in all of its glory? I think it's great. I don't mind having a 4K display. I wish it would come out into tablets and obviously eventually phones. We might see it more at the end of this year, maybe even next year. But 4K is definitely on the way. It's still kind of a slow-moving technology in terms of it coming onto mobile devices, just because you're not going to see that much of a difference with 2K display versus 4K display, most likely, just because the screens are so small, but it will eventually happen. Guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every single day. My question out to you guys is, do you even have a 4K display? Have it be a TV, a laptop, whatever it may be? Let me know in the comments down below if you ever watch 4K content. And if you do, which device you watch it on. Thanks for watching. I'll see you down the road. Peace!